Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health. Let's start our lecture. Here we have bridging, and here's the answer of that bridging. I hope you have solved it. Today we have belief number 40, in which we have to distinguish between the connotation of words with similar denotations. Refined, respectful, polite, we have some words here and they use in different text types. Let's start. The hidden magic of words, which writers mostly used in their writing. Words do much more than just sitting on a page. Every word you use carries a hidden superpower. Today we will uncover the two secret layers of language. Suppose this as a word. Word have two different jobs. First, surface meaning, what it says. The top layer is the exact dictionary meaning, and the hidden part of that word is a message which writers try to convey to the reader. The deep layer holds the hidden feeling and memories. Let's talk about this. First we have denotation. Give us the fact, give us the dictionary definition of that word, give us the exact meaning of that word. Denotation is the exact literal meaning of any word. It is the straightforward definition you can find in a dictionary. I hope you have used dictionary and we have learned about it in our previous lectures. And if this word is difficult for you, you can find the meaning of this word in the dictionary. It contains zero emotions, just the fact, just the meaning of that word. For example, we have a word nightmare. If you search the definition of this word or meaning of this word in dictionary, that is called denotation, yeah, denotative meaning, and the meaning is a disturbing or terrifying dream. Why it is a denotation? It is a literal event. You can look this exact description up in a book, in a dictionary. And then we have connotation or connotative meaning, brings a feeling. We have a word and there is emotions and imaginations associated with that word and used in a certain or particular text. Connotation is a word's emotional meaning. It includes the suggestions and associations connected to a word. It represents how a word actually makes you feel inside. There are two types of connotation, or you can say that there are two directions. Words naturally group into two emotional categories. First, negative connotation, and second, positive connotation. In negative connotation, it makes us feel uneasy, cross, or scared. In positive connotation, it makes us feel happy, safe, or warm. We have an example. The scent of the candle. Here the word scent. And in our second example, the odor of the candle. Here we have a word odor. Both of these words have the same meaning, which is smell. But in first type or in first example, it is used as a positive connotation. On the other hand, in second example, it is used as a negative connotation. They create completely different picture in your mind. Then we have another example of house and home. Both of these words have same denotative meaning, a building where people live. Feeling neutral and factual. But if you look at the connotative or connotation of this word, a place of comfort, family and safety. Feeling warm and positive. Now your task is to compare these two meanings after finding the definition of that word in the dictionary and guess the meaning of that word from the context in which it used. What is it? For denotation, the dictionary definition. For connotation, the emotional meaning and association. Where do you find it? In a book or dictionary? in your feeling and imagination, or in short you can say that in the context in which the word is used. We have an example: nightmare, a terrifying dream, and connotation is odor, a negative or gross smell. The perfect balance of fact and feeling. Every great writer used both layers of language. Use denotation to be clear and accurate. Choose your words with purpose. Use connotation to paint an emotional picture in the reader's mind. Okay, bachcho. Here we have a classwork which you have to do in your class, in your practice book, and here we have homework which you have to do at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you and you learn a new thing about the meaning of a word, connotative and denotative meaning, and you apply this while studying. Okay bachcho, Allah Hafiz.